Moving ahead with our module experimentation. In this video, we will learn about some admin modules that can be really handy during the penetration testing process. The admin modules can serve different purposes, such as it can look for different admin panels. For example, if it's a MySQL database auxiliary module, then the admin module lets you look for an admin panel, if it is possible through a directory traversal. The admin modules can serve different purposes, such as looking for admin panels or trying for admin logon. It depends on the functionality of the module that we are targeting. Here, we will start with a simple admin auxiliary module. Let us first browse to the admin auxiliary module directory. Here we can see that we have multiple options for different types of tools, protocols, application software, and so on. We also have database software such as MS SQL, Oracle, and MySQL, along with the FTP-based and specific appliance-based ones such as Cisco and EMC. Let us try one of these modules here in our metasploit prompt. Now let's try the enum module and do show options. Okay, so it requires rhost. So, here you can see that the basic operation of auxiliary modules is very much similar to the exploit modules that we saw in the previous two video series. The only thing which differs is the auxiliary modules are meant for a specific purpose. For example, this MySQL enum module will particularly be looking for enumeration of MySQL databases. The run command will quickly run this exploit for you. Let us check what we have inside the MySQL data source code. Here, if you take a close look at the module source code, it is a simple Ruby program that looks for the enumeration of MySQL database server. Also, you can provide credentials if you are aware of it. Looking at this code here, you can see that the module follows a definite structure. First, all the values are initialized, and the other important parts of the module is the run, where after successful enumeration, different parameter values are passed. Similarly, we have other important modules, such as the Tomcat administration module, that looks for the presence of Tomcat with the default directory traversal in it. This module is present inside the HTTP directory. We can see the admin folder, and inside it, the HTTP folder. Here we can find the Tomcat administration or different auxiliary modules pertaining to Tomcat. Just like we saw in the example of the MySQL enum module, we can similarly use the Tomcat module as well. We can do a quick show options and pass an rhost, and then run the auxiliary module in order to get the result. This was a very simple demonstration of how we can use the admin auxiliary modules for penetration testing.